ka jingnang dik start kalong ka bakodor hadu kata khamtam ma kani ka juk start science technology ka bamenta ka babun ki kam ki jam ki jingtri jingta wat ki jing puliru ki lapundon kamben dak ki core computer menang kentiu susu ya ka jing ai jingnang dik start ya ki khna school nadu ki bidang ren ka menteri ka tanat kampo yeng ka sarkar jala ka kongression wadri hakan ru tarik unaitung kalapli pai ba ya ka smart class digital room jong ka school government boys higher secondary school shillong ka badai kum shibanta ka jingrakhe ya ka digital india week hakan ni ka sngi lai don rangka lang uba dp walang commissioner and secretary information and technology ka sarkar jala meghalaya u a marak director of school education and literacy ka principal ka government boys higher secondary school kinong kai bat ki khna school.
These smart classes or digital classrooms to the very many government schools in the state as a whole. Our commissioner has already highlighted that for the first phase, the digital classes will be provided for the government schools, about 30 plus of them, and in the second phase, deficit, and then the aided schools. I think, in fact, this school here is very fortunate to be one of those 30 plus to be provided with digital classrooms.
You can see, we can click on the